Teclast N20 Pro Mini PC, compact powerhouse for home, office, and entertainment. The Teclast N20 Pro Mini PC is a sleek, high-performance mini computer designed to meet the demands of modern computing. Powered by the Intel N95 processor and available in multiple storage configurations, 8GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 512GB, and 16GB plus 1TB, this mini PC delivers exceptional speed, efficiency, and versatility. Whether you're working, streaming, or multitasking, the N20 Pro is built to handle it all with ease. Key features: powerful performance. Equipped with the Intel N95 processor, the N20 Pro ensures smooth multitasking, fast data processing, and energy-efficient operation. Ample storage options. Choose from 8GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 512GB, or 16GB plus 1TB configurations to suit your storage needs. Windows 11 Pro. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, this mini PC offers a secure, user-friendly, and feature-rich operating system for both personal and professional use. 4K triple display support. Connect up to 3 4K displays simultaneously via HDMI and Type-C ports, making it ideal for multitasking, gaming, or creative work. Compact and portable. Its small form factor makes it perfect for space-saving setups, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Versatile connectivity. Features Type-C, USB 3.0, HDMI, and Wi-Fi 6 for seamless connectivity with peripherals and networks. Energy-efficient design. Consumes less power than traditional desktops, making it an eco-friendly choice for everyday computing. Specifications: processor, Intel N95. RAM, 8GB and 16GB. Storage, 256GB, 512GB, 1TB SSD. Operating system, Windows 11 Pro. Display support, triple 4K display via HDMI and Type-C. Connectivity, Type-C, USB 3.0, HDMI, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth. Dimensions, compact and lightweight design. What's included? One Teclast N20 Pro Mini PC. One power adapter. One HDMI cable. One user manual. Why choose the Teclast N20 Pro? The Teclast N20 Pro Mini PC is the perfect blend of power, portability, and versatility. Whether you're a professional needing a reliable workstation, a student looking for a compact desktop, or a home user wanting a media hub, the N20 Pro has you covered. Its 4K triple display support and Windows 11 Pro make it ideal for multitasking, content creation, and entertainment. Upgrade your computing experience with the Teclast N20 Pro Mini PC, where performance meets convenience.